Hey guys, today we will be unboxing this new Apple Watch Series 3 and this is Apple Watch Series 3 42mm case, space gray aluminum, sport band black. Okay, there's nothing much written on the box. Below here there's indicates the contents of the box and the capabilities of this beautiful Apple Watch Series 3. I just got this from the mail yesterday. And let's go ahead and open this beautiful Apple Watch.
Apple Watch?
Yep.
Itong relo po dito.
As usual, it always says in
Gusto
any
mo
of the
mag-relo
Apple
eh.
products, there's this designed by Apple in California. Wait.
Relo ko. What?
Okay. And inside this thing, let's see, what's this? This is some instruction manual. Okay, tells you how to
I have
navigate through the watch,
what?
the uses of the digital crown, side button, and charging cable. And behind shows you on how to clip the band and
Tapos
install
ka na ba?
the band to the watch itself.
Tapos ka na ba? Ha?
Di pa,
Di pa?
dali lang.
Ayun.
Okay, more documentations. These are same thing, just a different language.
Line.
And it also includes this extra band. It's a little shorter than the other one. So that's good. Okay, so let us go to the
Anna.
main feature here. Beautiful
Main feature.
space gray.
Face gray. What time is it na, Dime? Ay, Dad.
Apple Watch Series 3 with the sport band. Beautiful. There we go. It's the space gray. I guess that's the charging mechanism, and that's the digital crown, red color with the side button. Okay. What else is on the box? Okay, there's more here. Just below this thing is well, we have the charging adapter, and this is the magnetic charging cable.
What's that?
Very cool. So excited about this thing. Just got it yesterday and I'm start to use it today. Well, there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to the video and my channel. You'll see some of my videos there where I'm singing some beautiful songs and videos of my kids and the whole family. Alright, thank you so much for watching.